in this video I'm going to be trying to install the Matt Lewis Racing Blackline LSD into my open diff from my E46 itself. I've never done this before, so we're gonna figure it out as we go along. So what I'm gonna do first is drain the oil from the diff, and to do that there is a big massive Allen key on the side. So that's the drain and that's the fill. These are just dust shields for the cup. Nothing to worry about too much. Next, what you have to do is remove these dust shields, or sorry, the seals for the diff. Now with the diff seals out, if you take out this locking C-clip, and then the bearing will come out, and then you can get the, not the bearing, but the bearing holder will come out and be able to take the pinion out, the crown wheel and pinion. Okay, so I forgot to film this, but I removed the bearings from the stock diff. To do that, I used a chisel. I just tapped around and they came out. To be honest with you, I'd rather get a new one, but I couldn't find any. That is the part number on this. So I'm going to put these on the new unit and then they can all go back together. I spoke too soon. I need to take this ring gear off of this and put it onto the new one. So there we have it. The ring gear and the bearings are on the unit. Pretty pleased with that, actually. I'm pretty proud of that too. Never did that before. There's no real, well, I guess there is. There's no real guides online. It's kind of just like full send and that's it, and dirty ass hands. So I got the other side in, so now I'll put this side in on video. So now I'm going to put the new seals for the cups, and then that's it. Put oil, done. And with these diffs, you should change the oil after 500 miles. Easy peasy. altogether, I hope the backlash is alright. There we go, I have an LSD E46 diff. That's sick. Today I'm going to be doing the strong flex bushings in my subframe. I did put this flow flex in. They work, but I'm honestly just not a fan of them. And I put the subframe back in the car and I was like, I'm going through all this work and all this effort. I'm going to put these in because I just don't like them. I don't like them. I'm going to use these on this. But this car, I want to use the strong flex. So yeah. I don't know about you, but that looks to me to be a lot better of a setup than the one bushing on the one side. So yeah, if you're gonna poly bush your E46 flex bushings, don't bother with anything else. These just work perfectly and flawlessly so far. So after a few hours of lying on the floor, the whole car is back together except the exhaust, which I can do another time. I need to jump start this battery, change a coil pack, and that's it. I can drive. A bit hot, but let's send it.